guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see about the letter F, the sound of letter F and few words that starts with letter F. This is a capital F. Capital F. This is a small f. Small f. And the sound of letter F is F. The sound of letter F is F. And let's look at the things that starts with letter F. F for fish. Fish. F for fish. F for frog. Frog. F for frog. F for fox. Fox. F for fox. F for fan. Fan. F for fan. F for flower. Flower. F for flower. F for face. Face. F for face. F for fruits. Fruits. F for fruits. F for flag. Flag. F for flag. F for fly. Fly. F for fly. F for fire. Fire. F for fire. Come, let's see it again. F for fish. F for frog. F for fox. F for fan. F for flower. F for fruits. F for face. F for flag. F for fly. F for fire. If you like this video, please click on to the like button and share button. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.